So
For race, maybe person like the highest position.
no, for
Race.
for
Track,
racing,
track.
for track, yeah,
Yeah, for track.
yeah. So you have more pedal clearance.
Yes.
Yeah. But for high speed,
Yes,
strong in line,
low is best.
low is better.
yes.
Yeah, low is better. And then the middle part is a little bit lower than normal.
Yeah.
So it still gives you more stability at the same time. Yeah. All right, so this is the comparison on the highest setting of the E-Rise Inmotion P6 pedal height adjustment. As you can see, it's quite noticeable. So Mark believes this is actually pretty good for track racing because you have, nice, quite high pedal height, and you can bank a lot steeper. There you go. That's the difference. Brian will actually like this. All right, so this is Mark on the lowest setting of the E-Rise lowering kit for the P6, and it's okay.
Yeah.
It didn't bottom out, as in it didn't hit the pedal. So even the lowest setting is not too low. It works really well. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah, it's very good. Yeah. Okay, good. That's good.